You like to make a video in the field.
Actually, I feel comfortable when I come outside from the home. If I have to talk with anyone, someone, then suddenly I come outside, you can consider. So today, when I saw your message, then already I decided I should go outside because I have to talk with her. So that's why in
You
the
know,
field area I came. Yes.
I saw your video. Most of your videos when you're walking, that time you make a video.
Yes, yes. While walking, actually, when I opened first YouTube channel, you can consider. I think I was grazing buffalo, pet animals. That also that time, I was walking. So already since then, I developed a habit of walking while making video. So then I thought when I will make conversation video, that time also I will walk. So that's why nowadays I walk. When I have to make any video during the day,
Nice.
but at night I sit on the chair and then I talk. But this is daytime, that's why I'm walking in outside of home. Yes.
Okay. So what type of are you working in your field?
What did you ask me? Can you repeat your questions?
Yeah, I'm asking like which type of work in your field.
So actually in my area, I think you can see lots of things was planted in
Yes.
the field area, I think. And do you know about peas, matter, do you know?
Yes, yes, I know.
Yes. You can see here matter, in this field.
Okay, okay, nice, nice.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so like in your field, you grow beet, maize in this thing. You grow up or not? You are like,
I
I
grow these.
understand what I'm asking.
Yes, yes. In this area, in this side, in which side I am this time. So in this side, you will not get any that kinds of thing. But in other side, that side, that side. If I will cross that side, you will get that all. But
It
here,
is like
matter, not that all. You will get matter and chana, gram. I think right?
I know very well. Actually, I'm also from village.
Oh, you are from village and you know very well about chana matter. Have you eaten? Have you eaten or not?
Yes, yes, I have eaten so many times. But in our field, we grow like wheat, rice, maize. These all things we are grow.
Oh, you grow that all thing, right? Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes. Like in our field, we never we didn't grow like gram, peas. So these things we didn't grow.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. So I think
Okay.
how many times like can you tell me your favorite food? What do you like to eat mostly in your area?
Like favorite food. In which
Yes, yes.
things like vegetables, like fruit or which?
First of all, tell me about fruit. Which fruit do you like the most?
I like mango.
Oh, mango, right? It is season of mango. I think I can consider in my area. I think from April. In my area, if I talk about, you told about village, like you come from the village. I think also in your area it is same that mangoes are free, right? You can
Yes.
pluck mango, and in your area where you are living, where you are living there. Can you tell me that is there the forest or not in your area?
Yes, yes. There's a hilly. Actually, I'm from Jammu, so there is like lot of mountains. There is a hilly area.
Oh yes, yes, yes. So in the forest, can someone get like mango tree if someone will be finding? So can he get or not mango trees in the forest area?
Like in forest area, there is no mango tree, but in our house, I have a one mango tree, and
Oh,
in
only
that
one
tree,
mango
there
tree you
small
have.
small mangoes grow up.
Oh, that's good. That's good. You can consider. But in my area, if you will go to the forest, also in the forest you will get lots of mango trees. And now I think the flowers are in mango tree now. And I think after 2 3 months, mango will come and then you can eat it free. No one will ask for money from you. For free, you can pluck from the tree. In my area, mangoes are free. I think and no one will abuse you to take that. But I think how is in your area people will abuse if you will take mango from the tree, so will they abuse or
Yes,
not?
come again. I'm not getting your question. I didn't understand. What are you asking?
Oh, so I am asking about mangoes, are mangoes free in your area, like if you
No,
will pluck?
never. No.
Yes.
Yes, you know what? In our area, there are so many trees of mango, but you know what? In our area, there are so many monkeys also. The monkey can also eat all the mangoes. When the mango is small, small, at that time monkey eat all the mangoes. It
Yes,
is
yes,
very
yes.
difficult
My
to
area is no.
protect the
Yes,
mango
yes.
from monkeys.
Yes, yes. Actually, if I talk about one incident had happened in my area, one boy is living in my village. His name is very different. I don't want to tell his name. Otherwise, he also watches my video, so he will listen his. But I want to tell about him. Actually, it is the matter of before 2 years around. So that time, there's one mango tree also. So they had gone and one monkey was there. And lots of people were with him, and he was eating. He was plucking mango from the tree, and one monkey was there. And you know very well about the what will say behavior of monkey. Like monkey got angry at him, and
Yes.
suddenly he biting him on his head. And one person, he got angry and he came and while taking one stick in his hand, and he was what will I say, like biting. Already, he was I think he was biting the person like with his teeth, right? And one person, was taking a stick, and with a stick he was, beating him. You can consider,
Okay.
yes. Like that. So really funny, funny like situation you can consider. Lots of people were there, and I think I was also there. I think it is the matter of before 2 years. You can consider. But in my area, if you will go to the forest, I think lots of monkeys you will get. Monkeys,
Okay.
different kinds of monkeys you will get. And I think many times, lots of people in this region. If you talk about, after March, mostly people keep going to the forest in my area for hunting. Do you know? Hunting, for hunting.
Yes.
So they take
Yes.
dog, very well loyal animal. I think dog you can consider. So they
Yes.
take dog.
I have a dog.
Yes, yes, yes. So dog start fighting with the monkeys if they will go with us suddenly, and monkey will fear from the dog, and suddenly they will climb on the tree. If they will be in down, so suddenly they will climb on the tree. You can consider. I think like that situation you will get to see in my area if you will go to the forest. And sometime in case of the monkey, monkey keeps coming here, like in the forest, like in village area. You can consider, like mostly they steal mango from the tree, from our tree, like that. But we don't abuse them like that. They eat. And sometime also in one tree there is one tamarind. Do you know tamarind tree? Imli ka ped,
No,
do
no,
you know?
I don't know about this.
Oh, Imli, do you know? I think you don't know, right?
Yeah. Yes, 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 I know.
Oh, Emily, yes, yes, So there is one tree in near to my home. That is the, I
Okay.
think, big tree you can consider. So there, a monkey keep coming here. And one day, one monkey had come, and we gave him food for eating. And he was, like giving express like human you can consider. Like he was like that.
Yes.
He was doing. So really, he was eating with his hand, and he was looking like very good. You can consider. Really, we gave him food, and he ate. He was eating like human, as human ate. Like eat food. Like that, he was also eating. So really, we were getting happy by looking him. So that kind of situation you will get to see here mostly. Also near area, I think, right? Like in
Yes.
city area also you can get to see monkey in the market. Yes.
Yes, nowadays everywhere is a monkey, and you know what? In where I live, so like it is difficult to protect the vegetable from monkey. So when lot of monkeys came our home, so that time we are hiding from the monkeys. So it is difficult to protect the vegetable from monkeys.
Yes, 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 nowadays. And people in my area, the matter of people, I think they keep on saying, don't kill the monkey. Like it is our evil, you can consider. If you will kill the monkey, it is, like you have done evil work like that. Right?
Yes,
So
yes.
it is said that, that's why we don't kill any monkey. If monkey will come here, we don't kill, and we give them like food so that they will eat. And they eat our food like rice food you can consider, like by boiling that food they eat with vegetables, and we give them in plate, not in land, in plate. So
Nice.
they like human you can consider, same like human. So really I think,
Means you gave a
like,
so much respect to monkeys.
yes, 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 in my area you can consider some people, like what will say complying them. Some people are
Hmm.
complaining as pet animal you can consider. And if you will go to America, I have watched some videos, like they have monkey, and they take care of monkey as their children, like that.
Hmm. Yes,
So
yeah, you're
really,
right.
listen, I think you have watched on YouTube, right? American people
Yes.
and China. If you will go there, I think some people have monkey, and they take care of them like children, their kid. That monkeys are our kid like that, and they are giving them food, and they have taught them everything. Whatever they have to do, bring food like that, taking anything like they taught them, and really they learned from the human. You can consider, yes.
Yes, yeah. So okay, so like I forget where are you from, what have you done. So please introduce yourself.
Oh, actually, I forgot, and I also didn't
I'm
ask for
also
introduction.
forget.
First, I will give my introduction if you want so. So,
Yes.
my name is Jatu Kisku. I come from Sahibganj district. Sahibganj district of Jharkhand state of India country. If I talk about my education, I study 9th class. If I talk about family, there are 6 members in my family. That's all about me. Now, it's your turn. Please give me your introduction also. I also want your introduction from your side.
Okay. So saying thank you. So as you know, my name is Palak. I'm from Jammu. So I have completed my bachelor engineering in computer, and now I'm doing a job as a backend developer. And like if I talk about my hobbies, my hobbies is I love to connect with people and I love to know about them. So that's all about me.
Oh, nowadays, like you have developed your habit to know about people, right?
Yes,
That's why, like,
yes.
me that please tell about yourself, and I told, right?
Yes, yes. You know what? If I talk about myself, when I started my journey to improve my English, that time I couldn't able to speak even one word. It is very difficult to connect with people. But when I started to using Yostack applications, so from that day I can see many changes in myself. So then I think if I connect with people every day, so then I will improve my English. So and gradually it's become my habit. So nowadays, I do every day I connect with one people every day.
Oh, yes, yes, you are doing great, You said right. I think some people keep gap in between, like they don't talk every day, right? So I think for them, it is difficult to improve English also, and I think English
Yes, yes.
can't be improved if you will stop one day also. So you have to speak every day, you have to connect with every day. Whether you are not able to connect on video call, but at least on audio call, it will be possible. So that is enough, right? On audio call also,
You
every day
know,
you have to talk, and
yes.
yes, like that.
You know what?
So
This is my third video call.
yeah. Oh, this is your third video call, right?
Yes. You know, no, first when I connect with, have you heard about Meenu Puri ma'am? Yeah, like she's also YouTuber.
Yes, yes, I know. Yes.
So last week I connect with them, and that day, you know what? When I connect with them, so that time I got shivered. I felt nervous. I felt shy because this is my first. This was my first video call. It is very I that time it is very difficult to connect with them. So when I made a second video call, that time I can see changes in myself, and this is my first third video call. So that you know what? That nowadays I want to connect with people on video call, because when we do a video call, that time I feel hesitate how to talk with people, how to speak. So that's why I want to connect with on video call.
Yes, yes, yes. You are doing great, Because like when we talk on video call, that time, you said right that we can remove hesitation, right?
Yes,
Because nowadays
yes,
people hesitation while speaking English, they don't want to talk. Like they get, hesitation and they fear suddenly you can consider like they are unable to talk for a long time. So it happens, nowadays for improving everything, like for becoming confidence, we have to come on video call also. And some people I saw, shy people, I think mostly they don't like to talk in front of any person. That's why I think they have that problem, But I think you told about this conversation is your third conversation. All the time, like you speak fluently, like confidently, and I got shocked by knowing this thing. First of all, like really you speak good English. Being this is your like third conversation,
you know
right?
what,
Like
when you sent me a message, that time I feel very happy because that time I think he's a good YouTuber and he speak very well, and he sent me a message. That time I feel very good.
yes, yes, it's like that, and like that, I think like this. Many people I send message and they get shocked when they came to know this is Jaddu. Jaddu send me message. Like how did
Yes,
he
yes.
get me? They think about me and many people. Yes, yes, and some people, I think 90% of people, I think 80-90% of people in this world are like that. If they will get success, they will not give you time, right? They will not like to
Yes,
talk with any normal person. They will talk with any high five person you can consider. They will not talk with any normal person who is beginner. So I'm not like that.
yes,
So I give time to everyone so that they will also talk with me and improve their English like that. So like that, my meta already. I think you have seen my number. I have mentioned so that they can take for help, like that, and they will. I will give them help, and they will learn English from me like that. That I want. Yes.
okay, nice, nice. So you know what, how did you improve your English? Because you are from village, it is very difficult to create an environment. Then tell me, how did you improve your English? And you speak very well. So, like, which type of challenges you faced when you improve your English?
Actually, I faced many problems, and if I talk about my journey, has been started before 2 years, I had started
Yes.
my journey before 2 years when I was in 7th class that time, by one teacher actually. But if I talk about English language, desire of English language, I was thinking to learn this language for a long time when I was in, 3, 4 class like that time. So I was not getting the idea like how should I learn English, which verbs, which grammar should I learn fast, like that I was not knowing everything. And very well, in village area you will not get any person, and no, I think in village area you can't get any person who will give you idea that you have to learn this and then you should do like this, then you will learn English. Like that situation was with me also. I was not getting no one with whom will I talk. So that's why, one day when I was in 7th class, one teacher had entered in the class, like he was teaching us tenses, and he was
Yes.
telling also story about learning and about himself. Like he was telling a story that, in these places I visited and I know English due to, with the help of English I could visit, like that. He was telling his story. I could, like I could get on the aeroplane, like that. He was telling everything like about the story aeroplane, because nowadays if any normal person will, travel on the aeroplane, so he will get happy, right?
Yes.
So he was telling that kinds of story when he was beginner, when he was knowing little bit English. So I got motivation. I got motivation when I heard his story, and he was teaching tenses also while telling story. So I was not only in the class, but I think some students were also. I think around 78 his students were in the class. So I was taking seriously his matters, and whatever he was telling, I was getting motivation. But other students, I think they will not be getting motivation, because I know so far as many students were with me in the class, they didn't learn English, and just it's only me who learned this language. It means I took seriously, and I came my
Yes.
home and talked about tenses. When he taught about tenses, then I got right video. Then I watched that video. Within 30 days, I learned tense. Then gradually verbs. I learned some verbs, and then I had started speaking in English. And in the beginning, I was knowing that I can't get any person in village for speaking English. With whom will I speak? So I was going to the forest for 30 minutes only. In forest area, that's why I was going there, because people are looking me in the village. If you will speak English, practice English in the village, people will look you and they will think something different about you, right? They will
Yes.
take you, yeah, he is crazy, he is mad, like that. They will think out of mind,
Yes.
like. So that's why, I was going to the forest up to 30 minutes only. I will do practicing and then I will come back, like that. Every day, it has become my habit. So like this. And one day when, I think last day, to practice in the forest, one day I had gone to the forest and one person met me there, and I think I
Hmm.
was speaking loudly. He met me, and that was very funny situation that he came suddenly, and I was fearing that who is he that is coming towards me, and I think he heard me while speaking loudly. So he came me and he gave me his mobile. He heard me already, so he came to know about everything about me, that Jadu is crazy about learning English. That's why here he
Yes.
came, and he was also crazy about learning, but he was not getting idea. So he gave his mobile, and I saw his mobile, checked his mobile, so I got all English related video I had downloaded in his mobile also. So since
Okay.
then, he became my friend, and since then, I started calling him to, my home every day. Please come to my home. We will teach. We will learn English by sitting on the chair, in front of each other. We will talk in English and we will enhance. Since then, he started coming to my home every day. We were speaking, but nowadays he is busy. That's why he's not giving me time. But now, I think recently he stopped to use Skype also because of exam. But again, he will start, I think, after giving the exam. Now, actually, his exam is not over. So his name is Ajay. So he helped
Oh,
me, and we became friend. And like that, we learned this language, and now I get better environment that time also because of Skype application. That's why nowadays I able to improve my English more than before. Yes,
okay, nice, nice. Your story is so good, and you face lot of problem. And you know
yes, yes,
what, you know
yes.
what? Tell me one thing. When you speak English in front of your parents, they are proud of you.
Yes, yes, they are proud of me, but they were not proud of me due to one thing, come on YouTube. They were thinking, Jadu, why are you coming on YouTube? Like they were thinking about to come on YouTube is crazy types of work. Like you are coming on
Oh,
YouTube, that is crazy types of work. Like you are coming. But they were getting happy when they were knowing that Jadu speaks English. I speak English, they get happy, but come on YouTube, they were not liking. Because I was saying, I will get money, I will make my name, I will get respect, everything like that. I was telling that, but they were not getting happy because they were not taking it seriously, like right way, right? So that's why. But when I started getting fast payment, then they became proud of me first time, and since then now they are supporting me. So really I got happy that now they are supporting me. They are behind my, like I'm behind their support, like they keep supporting me so that I like, and every day like they keep telling me, please learn new thing nowadays because you learn English. This is very hard language to learn in village area, and you come from village. We come from the village. Also, you learn this language, and if you could learn this language, then other language can also be learned by you. So like that, they keep giving me motivation. My parents, and I learned that all like that, and mostly I give my time to learn anything from social media like that.
Nice, nice. So, like, you know what? You speak very well. And what do you think when you speak advanced, when you good speaker? That time, what will you do? You like that time you teach your like village students, and you like open any institute, or like what will you do? Like, what is your thinking about this topic, about this
Actually,
question?
now due to come on YouTube, I became motivator also. You can consider like I motivate students. Like already I gave my number, and all people know in Jharkhand that Jadu motivates his students, and he can be called, if he will be called suddenly he will come here and he will motivate our students. So I keep going to school, also institute also, where English are taught. English is taught there. I keep going and I motivate students, their students, those who don't know English, can't speak English for them. And I teach some students from my village. Around I think I have 20 students. They learn from me. They come to my home.
Nice.
At time, yes. So really, I'm teaching them, and a student also. Like I'm a student and a teacher also. I became. I teach them at night, and I study. I study times are different in the early morning, and teaching time is at 6 p.m. At night, like that. So really great,
Nice.
great work. Yes, it's busy work. I think I have schedule. You can consider like I keep getting busy all the time due to my work and lots of teaching work and motivational. Like speaker I am. So that's why, and study about my subject. For that, I keep getting busy all the time. Keep running around that day. It means right.
Okay. So nice, nice. Okay. Like today you didn't go to school?
Today, actually, in my area, it is holiday. Actually, teachers, as many teachers are going to my school. They are going to other school for meeting the principal. I think there is happening some programs, So that's why they said today, it will be holiday today. That's why we didn't go to school today.
You know what? I think in your class, whole class, like only you speak English, and
Yes,
other
yes,
students
yes, yes.
they
I
don't
speak.
speak English.
Yes, yes. No one is. I speak only. In students, if you will talk about only students in my school, in our school, so I am one person who speaks English. No one is speaking besides me, and I think teacher know, but they don't know little. They don't know good English, but they can speak something or the other. But if I talk about sisters, brothers, and fathers, I think they can speak good English. They can also speak like same to same like me because they come from South India. That's why they are from South India, so you know very well about South Indian. They know English. So our
Yes.
principal is from South India, so he knows English because he has been speaking English for a long time. So he knows English, and he speaks always with me in English language only because he knows Jadu can understand English like that.
That time you feel very happy. Only I understand English. Other students they don't understand English.
Yes, sir. And teacher, who is our class teacher, he keeps saying all the students, please sit besides, like next to Jadu, and he will teach you English. If you will sit with Jadu, you will learn English. If you will sit with Jadu, you will learn English. If you will not sit with Jadu, if you will not play and communicate with Jadu, then you can't learn English. You have to communicate with Jadu and sit with him and talk with him, then you can learn. So every student's were said like this, by class teacher, our class teacher. Really, I get happy that he keeps telling. One day, one student was coming to ask me, and suddenly teacher started telling about him. Please sit with me, Jadu. You will learn English. Please sit with him. So really, I get happy that he can learn if he will sit with me because he will talk with me and ask me about any question. I will, tell him solve his problem like that, and he can ask me what is called this in English like that. So he can learn. So it happens, if you will sit with English speaker, then you can learn. And if I talk about celebrities, they have what is communication skills, right? Like they have friends
Yes.
from abroad countries, so they keep talking in English. So that's why they have knowledge of English. And if you have
Yes.
friend English speaking friend, I think you can learn English easily. But if you don't have any friend, suppose you have lots of friends, but no one knows English language, then I think English learning is difficult for you, like you can't learn because you don't have such friend who know English, can speak like you, right? So that's why it
Yes.
happens. We should, I think we should have English speaking friend also, then we can learn English easily. Yes.
Yes, yes, you are. You know what? One day you like become a good person in your in your village, and you make a proud in your village and your parents also.
Yes, definitely, because now my parents are getting respect from the people, whenever I meet, go anywhere, I think suddenly people recognize me. Jadu is coming from there, and one day, I had gone to one place that is called, dam. Do you understand dam? What is Band dam? Do you
Yes, yes,
understand?
yes. I know them.
Oh, dam, yes, And I think, where are you from? You didn't tell me state name.
Jammu.
Jammu. Jammu
Yes,
Kashmir.
yes,
Oh,
yes.
right. Oh, I was thinking about Bihar. One place. I think that place name is Jammu in Bihar. So I was thinking you are from Bihar like that.
No, no, no. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir.
Oh, yes, yes. So Delhi, that is a small capital Jharkhand. So there I went with my parents. So that time, lots of people recognize me. That he is Jadu, he comes to us like that. And suddenly they appear in camera. When I was opening my camera, they were suddenly getting ready to come on the camera because they were thinking Jadu will capture image, and he will post that on YouTube. And people will see
Okay.
us like that, they get happy. So I captured their image, and they captured suddenly my image also, and they said my parents also, please, stand with your son, and so that we can see you and saw you. Like they took their selfie like with me, with my parents also like that. So really I got happy, and I think around 2 hours, people were taking selfie with me. Lots of, I think, crowdings was there, hustle bustle was there. Lots of people to, like see, like they were, you can consider, like they wanted to see like place there. And I think from far and wide, like people had come there to see. And I think some people had come by bus. I think I
Okay.
had seen around 20 bus, and I think more than 30 Scorpio. So only for looking dam, because that is that is the deepest dam. Deepest. Do you understand? Deepest.
Yes, yes.
I think deepest means around can be 700 feet. Deepest.
Wow.
Yes,
Like,
you
tell
can.
me what is the name of dam?
Masanjor dam. You can consider Masanjor.
Kimasan. I never heard about this
Yes.
dam name.
Actually, I was not knowing that, how is the deepest that, but when I looked, actually they had, buried one stick like that in the water, in middle of water. So there was written like how much water is up like that. So there was written, so I read that and I understood like water is still this one number. Like there was written 70 feet like that. And I think, in rainy season, I think if you will go there, that will be drowned in water, like sink. You can consider it will sink in the water suddenly.
Okay.
And that is very dangerous situation, there. And if you will, I think if you will enter water, I think you can't come outside because that is the deepest. That's why, in as many dams are in Jharkhand, if you will compare that dam with all dams in Jharkhand, I think that is the deepest one. That's why. And
Okay.
we were traveling on the boat. We were like sailing boat there. And I think they asked for 150 rupee for one, round. You can consider, yes, for one round. So really enjoyable, you can consider. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Tell me one more thing. Like, when did you start your YouTube channel?
I had started my YouTube channel in month of December, October 2024. No, 3, I think 3 around.
23. Like, okay. From that day, you are uploading video. Daily, you upload a video.
Daily I upload, but I think, I think in between I had stopped. I think up to 7 days due to some problems was in my area. Network problem you can consider. So
Hmm.
that's why. But since after that I didn't absent one day also. Continue. I kept making video, and now you can see if you will check my video every day. Video was uploaded every day. Yes.
Yes, nice, nice. And you know what? I also thinking about create account a YouTube channel. But you know what? You know what? While conversation, I get stuck and I make lot of mistake while conversation. So firstly, I want to improve my English. I will speak fluent English. Then I want to make a YouTube channel. So this
Yes.
is the thing.
Really, because nowadays I think come on YouTube is very important. Like if you will come on YouTube, I think people will know your ability you can consider, right? Passion, that what is your passion, like that. So I think lots of people are coming on YouTube nowadays. I think before 1 year, around when I was not on YouTube, that time when I was taking conversation video, I think only conversation video of Cambly application, Highbrow application, English theory application I was getting. But nowadays when I search about conversation video on YouTube, in English language, I get also Skype application, because nowadays lots of people
Yes.
is using Skype. Like those who are not able to pay money, like they talk on Skype and they record and upload on YouTube. So they became YouTuber, and many people due to me got viral in YouTube. I help them, and I give them motivation. Lots of people in Jharkhand, I am well known in Jharkhand, I think. So well known person in Jharkhand, so everyone knows me, and people like they get motivation, and many people opened YouTube channel with the help of me, like that. I help them to add on group. I keep adding them on group. Many people were added by me so far, and really good. And every day I keep adding them, like that.